The investment group is the reason that I came to Bentley. We were passing by the trading room and I happened to stop in here. From that moment, I sort of saw the path to success for me, and I signed my deposit and I never looked back.
Bentley Investment Group was started in 1997 with an endowment amount of $250,000, and right now we are about $2.4, $2.5 million depending on the market. We have two different funds. One of them is what we call the conventional fund, and then we have a sleeve, which is a sustainable fund for the student who are interested in looking at investment from a sustainable lens.
The Bentley Investment Group is our biggest club on campus here at Bentley with about 1,000 active members.
And we have a dual mandate, so we want to grow the assets under management while also empowering students to learn about investing.
Investment group is student run, which means they make all the decisions, which stocks gets in, when to buy, and when to sell. The way I see myself, I am not their training wheel, I am their guardrail. A lot of other institutions of higher education have financial center, but these financial centers tend to be smaller. We are the biggest one in North America. We have exactly the same tools, the same software that people in the industry use.
The Bentley Investment Group is the single biggest competitive advantage to make students stand out in interviews.
When interviewers see that you're truly doing what you're going to be doing on the job, they just get excited. And it's something that you can really talk with them. You're able to hold a strong conversation about it.
You have to make presentation stock pitches to the entire assembly of general body members. This is done in Commensales, which has a big stage, can seat about 200 people.
A lot of work goes into the pitches, sometimes 40, 60 hours into a single pitch, and it's really intense, tough questions that people ask us, but that's because this is real money. This isn't a game, and students take their responsibility to the investment group seriously.
Before my first pitch, I was super nervous. After, I remember everyone coming up to me, congratulating me, giving me high fives, and it was definitely a very proud moment for me, and one of those moments where I really looked around and I realized this is why I'm at Bentley.
You go to school with like-minded students. We all have one thing in common, which is that we all have a love and appreciation for business. These are sharp people, where iron sharpens iron at a school like this.
The Bentley Investment Group has really given me the opportunity to make connections with all sorts of students and also find a home here at Bentley. And it's by far been the most rewarding experience I've had at Bentley, and I wouldn't trade it for anything.